starting out the vlog in the car. I feel like I am always in the car when I need to film. So, sorry about that, but I just dropped the kids off. It's 8:04 right now. I got up at 6 a.m. like I normally do and made the kids breakfast, which I got some clips of, and packed their lunch for the day. So I dropped them off. Today is Tuesday, May 18th. It's Josh's birthday. And so I just thought I would do another day in the life video because I wanted to document his birthday. I know we celebrated it a little bit over the weekend, but today's his actual birthday. So I thought I would film again. I am currently on my way to get coffee. What a surprise. So after I get coffee, I actually have to go pick up my online order from Walmart. I'm not going to do a haul from Walmart in this vlog because I recently did 2 grocery hauls back to back. So I'm not going to do another one, but I do have to go to Sam's Club today to grab some things that we need at the house. So I am going to do a Sam's Club haul later on in this vlog. I do have some cleaning to do. I have to actually clean out the refrigerators. So I will include that in the vlog as well to give you guys some cleaning motivation for the middle of your week or whenever you're watching this. I know I can always use cleaning motivation. So I will have that included in the vlog. And then we are going to be picking up Josh's birthday cake after I get the kids from school. I ordered him a Nothing But Cakes. That's his favorite birthday cake of all time. So that's pretty much all that I have going on today. I'm just trying to get the house in order. I have surgery in 2 days on Thursday. I am a little nervous, not too much. I'm also going to be documenting my surgery. If you guys are newer to my channel, back in October 2020, I had a full mommy makeover surgery. I had liposuction on my hips. I had a tummy tuck, I had a breast lift and augmentation. I got implants added, but my surgery this Thursday is for an areola reduction. My surgeon wasn't able to do it during the first surgery because I had too much breast tissue, plus I was getting 600cc implants, and so I didn't have enough loose skin to accommodate all of those. So now that it's been 7 months, I believe. Now that it's been a while and the implants have settled and my skin has stretched a little bit, he can go in and reduce the size of my areola. So that's what my surgery is on Thursday. It's going to be really minor compared to everything I just went through in October, but I'm a little nervous still. I hope that you guys enjoy this day in the life vlog. I hope it gives you some cleaning motivation later on. And I just appreciate all of you guys for clicking on today's video and hanging out with me today. The other day I got a cold brew coffee. Today I just got a caramelized coffee. It's good. I said that in the last vlog too. The first sip of coffee is everything, because it really is. Since it's Josh's birthday, I am going to go get him donuts, I think, from a donut place that's near our house. I know I just went through a Dunkin' Donut coffee drive-through, but he does not like the donuts from Dunkin' Donuts. He says they're not good. So I didn't want to get him any from there. So we have another donut place that's close to our house, and they have more gourmet, I guess, donuts. So I think after I pick up my groceries, I'm gonna run in there real quick to get him a couple donuts for his birthday. I know he's gonna say that he doesn't want them or stop fattening him up, but it's his birthday and I think that it should be celebrated. I'm back home now. I'm putting groceries away, and I wanted to show you guys this new juice that I found. You guys know Tampico. Do you guys like the Tampico punch? This is Tampico mango punch. It's 0 sugar. I was so excited to see this. It only has 5 calories. I got it at Walmart, so I actually got 2 of them. This is our fridge that's in our garage right now. It is a really nice, smart fridge from Samsung. This fridge used to be in the kitchen at our old house, and when we moved, this new house already had a brand new fridge in the kitchen. So we just put this one in the garage, and we haven't switched it out yet. Josh has been saying that he really, really, really wants to switch it out. So that's one of the reasons why I have to clean the fridge out in the kitchen right now, so that it's easier for him to switch out, and it'll already be clean and organized, and any food that needs to get thrown away, which I hope is not too much because I hate wasting food, it'll all be cleaned and organized and ready to go. And here's all of the groceries I'm about to take inside now. It is a little bit later. It's just after 11. I put all of the groceries away and spent a few minutes with Josh. He was happy. He got his donut, his birthday donuts. Then I got ready for the day, and then I loaded the dishwasher. I still have dishes in the sink that need to be hand washed, but I at least got the dishwasher loaded and started. I obviously didn't do the dishes yesterday, so I at least got that done, so it'll be ready. I'll have clean dishes for dinner, and then I can load the dishwasher again tonight before we go to bed. Now I am in the car. Emma is next to me. She's gonna come with me to Sam's Club. I actually forgot that I did a Target order last night too, because I needed a couple things that Walmart doesn't have. So I have to go to Target real quick just to do like a order pickup. I'm not going inside. And then I have to go to Sam's Club and run in just to get the few things on my list. I'm going to try to make it a quick trip and stick to my list. I was going to go get my nails done before picking up the kids from school. I had to take off my nails yesterday. 3 of them were lifting. I have filled that set, I think, 3 times, so it's time for a new set anyways. But I hate not having nails on, and they're all brittle and rough, and I filed them and they still are not good. So if I have time, I'm going to go get my nails done and then pick up the kids from school. If I can't get my nails done today, then I will go tomorrow, hopefully. This is something new at Sam's Club. Bell's Gourmet Popcorn. You grab a bundle bag, choose any 3 flavors, and it's $13.47 for 3 bags. They have all different flavors. I'm getting Josh for his birthday extra buttery, caramel corn, and bacon cheddar. So hopefully he likes this. We are back from Sam's Club now. I spent about $250, give or take. I don't remember for sure how much the exact number was, but now I'm going to do a quick haul for you guys. There isn't a ton, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this little haul. First thing I got was a pack of Pepsi Zero Sugar. I got a pack of this Lipton Diet Green Tea Citrus Drinks. These are really good. Winnie is approving of them. Winnie, you stop that. You stop that. I got these Red Baron deep dish single pizzas. The kids love these, and they are so much more convenient because you can microwave them. I got a pack of these juice boxes. It's Kids Juice Splash. No added sugar, fruit punch, and strawberry lemonade. First time we are going to try these, so hopefully that they're good. A pack of Go-Go Squeeze. It comes with apple, apple cinnamon, apple strawberry, and give me 5. A giant watermelon that's really heavy. The kids love these Members Mark, which is the Sam's Club brand. It's Southern style chicken bites. They are supposed to be replica of Chick-fil-A ones. They have more of a pickle taste than the Chick-fil-A ones do, but these are so good. The kids were out of vitamins, or almost out of vitamins, I should say. So I got these little critter gummy bites. These are just for Ronan, Liam, and Mia. Emma takes teen vitamins separately. I got a pair of leggings. I have said before that Sam's Club has really good leggings, and these were on sale for $6.81. So I couldn't pass up on them. This is the carne asada that Josh loves, and he requested this for dinner tonight. So I got a pack of that. I needed more chicken breasts, so I got this giant pack. I like it because they're already sealed, so they're already separated, so you can just freeze all of these and use only what you need. And this whole pack was $12.88, and it's 5 pounds. This carne asada is pretty expensive. They raised the price recently. For 2.96 pounds, it was $29. I got a package of strawberries. Josh said we needed more AA batteries, so I got a pack of the Members Mark batteries. And then I got 2 clamshells of sweet cherries. These look good. The last time I got cherries from Fry's, they were not good at all. But these look nice and fresh and sweet. And then I also got a huge bag. I think it's a 40-pound bag of dog food. I just got the Members Mark lamb. Was it lamb? Yeah, Emma's saying it's lamb. So it's lamb and rice, I believe. I wanted to get the salmon one, but it's grain-free. We haven't done grain-free in a very long time because the last time we did it years ago, Yoshi had diarrhea for days. So I will not go grain-free ever again because my dog's stomachs just don't handle it well. So I ended up getting the lamb and rice formula food for them. And yeah. That is our Sam's Club haul. I need to get all this put away and then clean up the house. I'm not going to have time to get my nails done before getting the kids because it's already 1 o'clock. And like I said, I have to put this away and I have to eat. And then the kids need to get picked up at 3. So I'm not going to have time to get my nails done. Not today at least. Hopefully tomorrow. Fingers crossed. I'm getting ready to clean. But I wanted to show you guys this new candle that I have from Bath & Body Works or White Barn. It's new. It's called The Perfect Summer. And it smells like tanning lotion and sunscreen. It smells so good. It sounds weird, but if you like that scent, highly recommend this. It smells really good. And then I also was doing dishes, and I kind of showed this a little bit earlier. I forget the brand of it. I showed it on Instagram a few weeks ago or a couple weeks ago. I'll have it linked in the description box down below in case you guys are interested. I got it off of Amazon, of course. But you just fill it up with your favorite soap. Right now I have the Dawn Power Wash soap. No. Right now I have the Dawn Platinum papaya scent soap in there. And then you just take your sponge, you just push down, hands-free, or not hands-free, but do you guys get what I'm saying? I don't know. Like you don't have to tip the bottle or anything. You just push it and soap comes out on your sponge. So love that. And I got this power wash in the apple scent. It smells so good. I'm loving all of this stuff right here. In this next clip here, I am putting together a little treat goodie box for Josh for his birthday, and then wrapping some of his gifts. Dinner. It's 5:45 now. Josh is going to grill the carne asada. I don't really use the grill that much, so he is going to grill the carne asada. I'm going to make the beans. I'm just using these instant beans. I've shared them before. The Mexicali Rose. These are the fat-free ones. It's all that Walmart had. But they turn out to be the best refried beans. They're really, really good as compared to the canned ones. If you are short on time and you don't want to make homemade refried beans, but you don't like the taste of the canned ones, try to find these. I've only been able to find them at Walmart where we live. Fry's doesn't have them that I found, but Walmart does carry them. This is the rice I'm going to serve with dinner. This is another quick option. It's Del Real Foods rice with vegetables. Also get it at Walmart. It's in the refrigerated section, and it is really, really good. Really easy. You just have to microwave it. It can't get any easier than that, and it's good. So we're going to have that. Those two sides. These are the soft tacos that we like to eat. Lala's traditional style. They taste really like authentic. They're really good. I, however, eat the carb ones. I have not tried this brand yet. La Banderita carb counter. 45 calories for one tortilla. I usually get the Mission ones, but these were only $2.48 for an 8-pack. And the Mission ones for a 10-pack was $5. So hopefully these are just as good. So I'm just going to whip up everything for dinner. I'm going to kind of speed this process up. Then we are going to have cake and have Josh open his present. And then when it's quiet in here, I am going to get to the fridge. I still have not done it. I keep saying this whole day I'm procrastinating, and I know it because I don't want to do it. It's going to be such a chore, but I know it has to get done. So I am going to do that. I'm going to do like a little clean with me, after dark clean with me. But Cruel Summer, the next episode, comes out tonight. So I'm going to be watching that for sure. And Teen Mom episode comes out tonight too. So I have to watch both of those. And then I will clean this kitchen. Josh is going to do a taste test of the popcorn from Sam's Club. Caramel corn. Is it good? I wonder if it's going to be as good as that puffed artisan. Remember how we got that?
It's not quite at that level, but it is good.
Alright, I just took everything out of my freezer and the camera wasn't even filming. I don't know why the heck it keeps cutting clips off. So, yeah, I didn't end up getting a clip of all that, but everything's out on the counters, and now I'm going to clean the actual freezer and then go through all the food and then put it all away. So I'll show you guys what I'm working with right now with everything on the counter. Here's all of half of it piled on the counter. And here is the other half. Here's Winnie, my manager, making sure I'm doing a good job. She's ready for bed. It's 9:15 p.m. Cruel Summer is on at 10. So I'm going to try to crank this out in the next 40 minutes so that I can watch Cruel Summer before I get too tired and want to go to bed. to end this day in the life video here. It is now, it's 10:52. I went way over what I even thought I was gonna do. I thought I was gonna crank all this out in 40 minutes. Oh, that's funny of me. I am tired, I'm sweaty, I'm ready to go take my makeup off, and now I have to end this vlog and then edit and get it up for you guys tomorrow. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you guys are new here, please hit that red subscribe button and join my growing YouTube family. Also, follow me over on Instagram for more daily content. I hope everyone is doing well. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.